Welcome back to another video. Lost a nail, look. Like, ripped a nail. Right, I've got a few bits from Amazon AliExpress. I don't know what I'm going to get through. But first, I want to show you a little bit of friend mail that I got from Just Your Nail Addict. Because it's gorgeous. Right, so first, she sent me some of these. She did ask me if I wanted some. And I said, yeah. Let me just show you what's in it. Look, little stars. And they're all pearlescent. And like these like little beads all stuck together, look. Balls and flowers. Hearts. Aren't they cute? Look at these balls. They remind me of the Hello Kitty balls, look. Don't they? I love that colour. Aren't they cute? So she sent me some of those. I don't need to take these ones out because you can see them. Ladybugs. Aren't they cute? I love them. Cute well. And she sent me some butterflies. Look at them. Look at the colour in them. Aren't they pretty? I love them. They're gorgeous. Right, and she's also sent me these, look. Right, comes with a gem picker. A gem picker upper. One of them. So you pick your gems up with that side. And then you can use this side to like push them into place and stuff. I love this little case that it comes in. How does... Yeah. That's cute, isn't it? Right, and look at all of these. These are all AB gems. How does it open? Look at all... Right, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to quickly empty these so I can show you. Right, I've got them all out. Oh my god, some of these are gorgeous. Oh, look at the colour shift on them, guys. They are so sparkly. You could even pass these off as Swarovskis. They are so sparkly. Not quite Swarovskis, but oh mate, they are sparkly. Like, look at these. Skulls. How cool are they? Look at the sparkle. There's all sorts in here. Look at these. They look like fidget spinners, look. I've never seen gems like that. Wow, they're so sparkly. And we've got, look, big flowers and then teeny weeny little flowers down here. Teeny teardrops, look. Teeny weeny little love hearts. There's squares, there's diamonds, there's teardrops, there's big love hearts. There's all sorts. Aren't they gorgeous? Super. I've seen these all over AliExpress and I never ever bought them. But now I know how nice they are and they're all glass. I will be buying some of these. So sparkly, they really are. So thank you, Jo. I absolutely love them. I love this case that it's in as well. They're beautiful. And there's so many. I love these skull ones. They're so unique. Love them. And my gem picker upper. Getting all posh now. So thank you. I love them. Right, I'll show you a few bits I've got from AliExpress first. Got myself some buffers. Little cute pink ones. I'm not going to open them. But they're alright. They've got a really good grit to them. So I'm really happy with those. My partner's just decided to start hoovering downstairs. I hope you can't hear that. But if you can, I'm sorry. Right, I've got myself another stamping plate. So it's like old English letters. And numbers as well. Love that. And I've got some stickers in the same style of writing. But all different colours. So yeah, it's very similar, but the letters are a lot smaller. And plus there's only one letter of each colour, so I can do as many as I want with the stamping plate. But I still wanted these. Again, it's letters and numbers. So there's yellow, orange, green. Ooh, look at them pink ones. And then we've got, oh, a metallic pinky, purpley one. That's nice. Then we've got a blue one. That's cool. 2 gold. Oh, that's a gold, and that's like that shattered kind of gold. Hollow. Silver shattered hollow. And then it's got a black, a white, And there's a glow in the dark as well. Oh, they're stuck together there. So that one's white and this one is the one with the G's, glow in the dark. So they're cool. I like them. Right, and also same as the letters, I got some, they're like striping tape, aren't they? But they're in strips. Again, they're the same colours, so I got a yellow, and they're all different thicknesses. Really skinny ones. Yellow, green, orange. That's a nice colour. And again, we've got the pink, the blue, the plain gold and the shattered gold. Look at that silver hollow. And again, we've got why are these ones stuck together? The black, the white and the gold. I don't know why the black, the white, not gold, and glow in the dark is on see-through. And these are all on a white backing. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I've got those. Right, and also from AliExpress, I've got myself some polygel. This is from my favourite brand of polygel, Mowbray. I love Mowbray polygel. So these are glow in the dark, but the temperature changing as well. So they're thermal and glow in the dark. And I love Mowbray polygel anyway. It's brilliant polygel and it's really, really cheap. So I got that one, what looks like a purple. Can't see what that one is. Let me open them. Right, so yeah, that one looks like a purple. That one looks like a blue. Then we've got a green, an orange, and a yellow. So I've just got 5. I think there was 10 in total. But if I like them, I'll probably get the other 5. But I think they'll be good because Mowbray polygel is normally really good anyway. So I'm excited to try them. So I've got those. I think that's it for AliExpress. Everything else now is Amazon. Right, I'm just going to rush through some of this because some of it's stuff we've all seen before. So I got this little pot of foils. I think these are going in my giveaway. I'm going to check my folder, but I'm pretty sure I've got all these. Pretty sure. But that's them anyway. I love these. These like shattered foils look really smart with a matte top coat. I love these with a matte top coat. But yeah, I got those. Right, also from Amazon, I got some nail tips. These are so cool. I've seen a few people with these shaped tips recently. These are off Amazon, so that's the brand there. And they are just straight, like, do you call them pipe tips or something? I don't know. And they're just straight, long straight tips. They're very long, aren't they? But they've got a really nice C-curve on them. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They're very, very long. Look how long they are. Oh my gosh. But I really, really like them. You can always cut them down, can't you? To whatever length you want. So I got some of those. I think there's 100 in there. So I'm really excited to try them. I really like them. Right, also from Amazon, I've got a couple of these nail art kits. These are going in my giveaway. I'll quickly show you what comes in them. Let me move everything. Right, so let's see what this first one comes with. Right, so it comes with a pack of little pink brushes. Shall I move you up a bit? Right, that's a bit better, isn't it? Right, that's a bit better, isn't it? So it comes with a little pack of brushes. So it's got a couple of detailer brushes in there, dotting tool, a fan brush, a gel brush. They're cute, aren't they? So it comes with those. It comes with a nice little fluffy brush with gems in it. That's cute, I like that. I like the shape of that. Cool. I love these little nail art kits. Right, it comes with some dotting tools. So they're all different sizes on each end. Cool. It comes with an ombre brush, so that matches, kind of. very similar. Yeah, so it comes with an ombre dibba dabba thing. It's got, I think these are to pick your gems up, aren't they? You sharpen them and they're to pick your gems up. It's got some tweezers with it. It's got 10 striping tapes, all different colours. There you can see pink, green, blue, gold, silver, red, white. And it's got these, I don't know if these are stickers or stencils. I've got some very similar to this, but the stencils, I think these ones are actually stickers, you know. I'm better off showing you on the back, aren't I? So they're like wavy ones. Super hollow, aren't they? These ones are like moustaches. They look like moustaches. This one, wow, look at them. Oh, let's go. My camera doesn't like these. So that's like a swirly one. And that's like zigzags. They're cool. I think they're stickers actually. Rather than, but you could use them as stencils, couldn't you? Right, so this second one comes with, it's got 4 little discs. So that's got little pearls in it. They're cute, aren't they? They're cute. And then that one's all different coloured little gems. I've not seen these ones before. They're like little metal slice things. So it's got hearts. They look like butterflies or something. Little flowers. Triangles. That's cute. That one. And then this one is gold and silver studs. Hearts and stars. Diamonds, dots, triangles. Cute. Right, so we've got 4 of them. So it's got 2 files and 2 buffers. Some more tweezers. And another gem picker-upper thingy. Right, this one's got brushes as well. These are longer ones. There's more in this one. There's a couple of fan brushes. There's quite a few gel brushes in that one. Long liner brushes. Yeah, there's quite a few in that one. Dotting tools. Cool. This one comes with dotting tools as well. And another pack of striping tapes. They look pretty much the same. And this one's got all these, is it, yeah, silver leaf, gold leaf, bronze leaf. These ones have got like oil slick kind of effect on them, haven't they? And that's everything that comes in the second one. So I bought them from a giveaway box. I'm going to be doing a video showing you all what's... It's not going to be my giveaway video, but I'm going to do a video on organising all this stuff. What's going in that box, what's going in that box. I just thought it'd be a fun video to do. And then once all that's done and organised, I will then release my giveaway video. So that's what all these little odds and ends are... all these little odds and ends are for, my giveaway box. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. That's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I'll leave Joe's channel pinned in the comments. You can go over and say hi. Because those gems, let me just look at them again, are absolutely stunning. I love them. So impressed with them. But yeah, that's it guys. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Whew, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.